Okay, so I have a friend, Travis Leib. He gave me his recipe here. I'm going to attempt to make some watermelon candy. That is the rind from the watermelons, not the green rind, but the white from the rind that we will be using up. So I'm just kind of cutting it into like small candy-ish pieces. Never had it, very curious, don't know if I'll like it. He liked it, so I'll take his word for it. So, anyhow, he is a pretty smart man, but if you know him, don't tell him I said that. He gets a big head about him. But anyhow, just cutting up the white here. I'm assuming a little bit of pink on it is okay. But my daughter weirdly peeled the watermelon this morning, and I was like, well, alright then. Since she'd done that, I guess that's a sign that I should attempt this candy. So, for now, I'm going to spend forever cutting up all of this into candy type pieces, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, we'll come back at this. Okay, so I'm about through to the pieces that were peeled off already. So when you do this, like this is a huge, clearly huge hunkin' white piece. You don't want any of the green, so just kind of lop it off there best you can. Okay, and then, you know, cut it to size 2. I got them all sorts of different lengths and sizes because I don't really know what to expect here. But anyhow, we're still filling the pan up, as you can see. It's taking a while. Okay, keep on going. Okay, so 4-ish cups of water, and then we'll make sugar into it. For a simple syrup, we're gonna go lightish. Okay, so the water's in there. Add in 1 cup of sugar. I'll probably do 1.5 cups. Again, he just said simple sugar. He didn't, simple syrup. He didn't say sweet or overly sweet or anything like that. And the black Florida, get that out. Okay, just kind of going to dissolve it up. We'll dump it in, see if it's enough to help cover it or not. We'll see, we'll see. I might need to do more. I don't really know how much you do. He just said some. Way to go, Travis. You gotta be more elaborate for me. Anyhow, dissolve it up. And then put it in the watermelon rind. Okay. Dumping it in. And then just cook it kind of slow until it's paler, more see-through-ish, lighter in color. So that's it now. We just hurry up and wait like we do everything else. Okay, I got it going here. Smells faintly watermelony. I'm hoping that's what it's going to taste like. But yeah, it's just kind of slow going process here. We'll see. I don't know. As you can see, it is kind of paler looking now. A little more translucent. I don't know how much longer to let it go. I think this is kind of like making that mock pineapple. That's what this is reminding me of. And now it smells kind of like corn. Not so sure about that. I mean, I like corn, so that's okay, but yeah, anyhow. Yeah, he said go till it's paler. So, paler it looks. So, next thing is to strain it. So let's dump it in the strainer. Okay, so we're straining it now, which is, you know, simple. Dump it in a strainer. The next is roll it in granulated sugar. And then you can let it cool and eat it as is, or you can put it in the dehydrator. So I think I'm probably going to put it in the dehydrator because I'm honestly not so sure my kids will eat it this way. But that's what it looks like now. I don't even know how much granulated sugar. We're just going to wing it. Nothing like winging it on these recipes, huh? So let's sugar it up. Okay, so rolling it in the sugar here. We're just going to put a cup in at a time because we don't really know what we're doing. Okay, that's pretty sugary. Maybe I should have put it out on a pan instead of put it back in here. I don't know. So next is the dehydrator. Man, that really liquefied it all up, didn't it? So next after this is the dehydrator. Like anything else you put on a dehydrator, leave space in between them so that they can, you know, dry. They are sugary, but it's not like, you know, crunchy sugary. Yeah, so you can see how clear they are, but we're going to fill this up. Alright, so I don't recommend you use a cup of sugar because you really are just wasting that. Because, well, that's all sugar down in there and a little bit of water from the rind. But that's it here. I got 4 trays. Turn it on, and I guess tomorrow morning we'll see what it tastes like. Because we don't know. Yeah, there we go. We'll wait till morning. Okay. So they're done. It's kind of like a gummy. Like a sugary gummy. Ain't got a lot of flavor to them, but not terrible. So, anyhow, that's what they look like. We'll see if the kids eat them. I don't know. Alright, well, there you have it. Watermelon and rind candy.